taking a leak. Come on, you red piece of shit, you're gonna get late. Fuck, thank God. Yeah, hello. You need some equipment moved? Yeah, we'll be right there. Alright, today on my new Alberta job, we had to drop, took my truck in to get tire repair. Seeing the sow was there, I jumped on the opportunity to bring it back to the shop so I could check it out a little bit. So we get a small tour of the sow at Cypris. Anybody needing some sow work, give us a call. And then after that, we're gonna pick up a speed swing. This is some rail equipment for rail maintenance. We pick it up here in Red Deer. They were doing some repairs here on 2A, and we take it out to Irvine, which is east of Medicine Hat. Drop it off there and then sail home. All right, we got a small treat out of the ordinary for me today. Went to the tire shop to drop off my little miniature bed truck, and the big one was sitting there, so I'm taking her back to the shop. Missing having the view. This is the inside of her. They're pretty good. Got some big ass mirrors, that's nice. Real nice. Pretty smooth. Got the space cab. Lots of room in here. Pretty deadly setup, I like it. Mercep's known for pretty good setups. Look at that. No ground on that camera, we got full-time rear screen. Mirrors are a little floppy, but what do you expect when you got ears like Dumbo? Makes that convex look pretty small. Pretty smooth ride actually compared to the one I drove once in a while. Look at that. Sure is nice having the extra leg room. Look at all this gloriness. Balls. She's long. A little bit bigger than the T-bed, just a bit. Automatic shift's real nice. Decent, Jimmy, decent. Except for no D sign on the back. You gotta get the D sign up there. Maybe it's gotta be more than 10 wide. Fucked up big time. I misjudged the back wall and I punched the wall right out with the bed truck. We got totally fired. I was on probation. He's like, get the fuck out of here. You don't know how to drive. So I'm looking for a new job. Anybody want to hire a shitty spot bot? Gig is up. I actually lied on my resume. I'm like, I don't have any experience at all. I was actually hauling groceries on a highway. Barely knew how to do that. Gets gullible. Man, this thing is way easier to park than where I had to park the road train one.
Holy shit, who is that?
And I know she'll be the death of me. She told me.
You cunts got a fucking ciggy?
We got the second truck here. It's just a single axle Freightliner, and he's got a tri-axle gooseneck trailer. He's gonna haul the 544 John Deere loader, and I'll take the bucket attachment. All right, so I've never seen one of, well, okay, I've seen them. I see them around in the rail yard all the time. I've never operated one. I have no idea what it looks like, and it's full of switches and buttons and levers everywhere. More than you can imagine being a control operator in a plant.
Eins, Maschinen starten.
He's like, "You're gonna unload this?" I'm like, "Yep." He's like, "You know how to drive it?" I'm like, "No." "Hop in there. You better learn now." I'm like, "Probably should, yeah. Here I go."